Dear students, in the last video, we have discussed about 35 questions based on present continuous. How to change positive, negative, and also WH negative interrogative. Okay, if you have not watched this video, you can go to the playlist section and also you can watch this. In this video, we will discuss about the third aspect, that is present perfect. Okay, so let's start. What are the uses of present perfect? When you have to use present perfect tense. Okay, so here the first use. To talk about unfinished action, that means unfinished action means the action which has started in the past and now it is still continuing. Okay, which began in the past and is continuing up to the present. I have known him for 2 years. Okay, I have known him 2 years. I have known him. Okay, to have known. This is third form. Has or have. Okay, has or have plus V3. Okay, the present here, the structure of present perfect is subject plus has or have plus V3. Okay, subject plus has or have plus V3. You know, has is used for singular and have is used for plural. And in the first person, we use have. I have. First person singular. First person plural also we have. Okay, third person singular, only in third person singular we use has. He has, she has. Okay, the teacher has, only singular. The child has, only singular case, third person singular we use only has. Okay, I have known him for 2 years. Okay, here for 2 years. That means I knew him in the past and I have also known him very well. I have known him for 2 years. Here for 2 years. That is duration. How many years? 2 years. Okay, this is the time duration. Next, he has been here since 2 p.m. That means he came here at 2 p.m. and also now he is now here. That means the action started in the past and now the action is still continuing. That means unfinished action. Okay, he has been here since p.m. That is since. This is the fixed time. Okay, fixed time. Fixed time, and this is known as time duration. Time duration. Okay, we have to use for time duration and since for fixed time. Since Monday, since 1995, since the morning. But for is used for duration. For 2 years, for 2 days, for 2 hours, for 7 days. Okay, duration. Duration. We use for duration of time. Then next, here he has been. Okay, he has been. India has been free since 1947. So here since 1947. This is fixed time. This is not duration. This is fixed time. Okay, India has been free. So here this is has singular plus has or have. To have has. Okay, India has been singular plus has plus been. So here been, be, third participle of be is been. Okay, he has been ill since last week. So here since last week. This is the fixed length. Okay, fixed time. Fixed time. He has been ill. That means he might be ill in the past and now she is also ill. Okay, he has been ill since last week. So dear students, I think you have got clear. We use since for fixed time. Example, since 2005, since morning, since Saturday, since Monday, since the evening, since 1995. Okay, we use for the duration of time. Okay, we use for the duration of time. For 2 hours, for 2 days, for 2 weeks, for 2 years, for 7 days. Okay, dear students, the next use is used with just, already, yet, recently, ever, never, so far, since, for. We have already used these 2 words in the previous example. Okay, in the previous use. First example, I have just received a letter. I have just. Okay, I have just received a letter. Okay, I have just received a letter. So here just word is used. Okay, we will use present perfect tense when these words are in the sentence. Just. I have just received a letter. Okay, have received. Okay, the next, I have met the person recently. I have met. Okay, I have met the person recently. Then next, my friends haven't arrived yet. That means they have not arrived now. They haven't. My friends haven't arrived yet. Haven't arrived. Okay, he has never told a lie so far. He has never. We also use present perfect with never. Okay, he has never told a lie so far. Okay, next, we have never seen a ghost. We have never seen. Okay, have never seen. Next, they have known me since. They have known me since 2015. That means these two examples I have already discussed in the past uses. Okay, they have known me since 2005. That is fixed time. Okay, I have already completed my task. I have already. Okay, I have already completed my task. So you have to use present perfect tense when you will find these words in a sentence. Okay, just, already, yet, recently, ever, never, so far, since, for. Okay, dear students, the third use is with the adverbs like today, this morning, this week, this year, this month. Okay, have you met the teacher today? Have you met the teacher today? Have you met? Okay, so this is present perfect. I haven't received any letter this week. Okay, any letter this week. Have you been to the hospital this morning? Okay, when these words are in these word means here these adverbs. Okay, adverb of time used in the sentence, we have to use present perfect tense. Okay, the next use is used ever in question. Okay, we use present perfect tense with ever while asking to someone. Okay, we ask someone about his or her past experience. Okay, past experience. Have you ever been to Chilika? Have you ever been to Chilika? The answer will be yes, I have been. Okay, if she or he replies, no, I haven't. Okay, have you ever been to Delhi? Okay, this is about his or her past experience. Okay, we use present perfect to know about a person's past experience, whether he has been to Chilika. Okay, has she ever won the reward? Has she ever won the reward? That means in the past, whether he has won any reward or not. Then next, have you ever held your friends? Have you ever held your friends? That is also past experience. Okay, we use present perfect tense to indicate the past experience of a person. Okay, the next use is after a superlative. You know there are 3 degrees. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. Bad, worst. Okay, so this is we use present perfect tense after a superlative degree. After a superlative. Okay, after a superlative degree. This is the best book. This is the best book. Okay, so here this is the best. This is superlative. Best. This is the best book. Then we use here I have ever come across. Okay, I have ever come across. That is present perfect. Okay, next. She is the prettiest girl I have ever seen. She is the prettiest. Okay, she is the prettiest. Okay, the prettiest is in superlative degree. Then we use present perfect I have ever seen. Okay, in the last example, in the last uses, we learned that we use ever while asking question in present perfect. But in this case, we also use in answering. Okay, we use ever in asking question, in forming question, but in positive or declarative, we can also use ever. Okay, she is the prettiest girl I have ever seen. Okay, I have ever seen. That is present perfect. Next, this is the best place I have ever visited. Best place. Okay, this is the best. So here present perfect tense is used. I have ever visited. Okay. The next use is used in the uses like this is the first time, this is the second time. Okay, we have to use present perfect tense when there is the usage like this is the first time, this is the second time. Okay, first example, this is the first time I have ever traveled on a flight. Okay, this is the first time I have ever traveled on a flight. So this is known as present. I have ever traveled. This is present perfect. This is present perfect. This is the first time. Okay. Then next, this is the second time Rohit has committed the mistake. This is the second time Rohit has committed the mistake. This is the usage. Okay. This is the second time. Then we use here present perfect. Rohit has committed the mistake. Okay, dear students, I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt regarding these uses, you can also comment in the comment box. If you have not watched all the previous part, okay, you can go to the playlist section, or I will provide all the link in this video description. Okay, you can watch this. In the next video, we will learn about how to form affirmative, negative, interrogative two parts SNO WH, and also negative interrogative in the next video. Okay, thank you.